Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, in the previous class, we started a story. The name of the story is The Mysterious Picture by Charles DeCosta. In the story, we saw that Till, who was an artist from Flanders, came to visit the Archduke of Battenberg. Till was appointed as the court painter. The Archduke asked Till to paint his portrait. Till replied that he will be happy to paint the Archduke as well as all the other courtiers in the palace. Now, let's see what happens in the story after this. The next day, Till asked the Archduke to allow him to see all the courtiers who were to be painted along with him. All of them came and saw Till one by one. The first person to come was the commander in chief. He was a short, fat, bald man with an enormous paunch. Enormous paunch means big belly or big stomach. He whispered in Till's ear to make him more handsome. He wanted Till to make his stomach look flat, otherwise he will be killed. The commander also added that he was once a very handsome soldier. Next, an elderly lady came. She had a large hump on her back. She wanted to look younger and beautiful. She warned Till that if he didn't remove the hump on her back in the picture, she will have to torn him into pieces. After that, a young lady came. She was young and beautiful. She had lost three of her front teeth in an accident. She wanted Till to give her beautiful pearly teeth in his picture. If it doesn't happen, her love, that is, the captain of the guards, will cut him into small bits. Threats and requests began to continue till the last courtier came. Then the Archduke came and said Till that he wanted his portrait and the portraits of the courtiers to be perfect in every detail. The Archduke warned Till that if he failed to leave out a mole, pimple, or a single grey hair, then he will be slaughtered or killed like a pig. Till thought that either the Archduke will slaughter him like a pig for disobeying him, or the courtiers will kill him for painting them as they really are. So he thought it is wiser not to paint this picture at all. Now look at these words and their meanings. Now we can have a model reading of the text. The next day, Till asked the Archduke to allow him to see all the courtiers who were to be painted along with him. They came and saw him one by one. The first to come was the commander-in-chief of the army. He was a short, fat, bald man with an enormous paunch. He whispered in Till's ear, "When you paint my picture, remember you are to make me look handsome. If you do not make my stomach look flat, I will have you hanged. Remember, I was once a very handsome soldier." An elderly lady came next. She had a large hump on her back. "Sir Painter," she said softly, "make me look young and beautiful. If you don't remove the hump on my back and supply what I lack in beauty, I will have you torn to pieces." A young lady, who was the companion of the Duchess, came in as soon as the old lady left. She was young and pretty, but had lost three of her front teeth. She warned Till that if in a picture she didn't see herself smiling with a perfect set of pearly teeth, she would have him cut into small bits by her lover. She pointed to the captain of the guards. Similar requests and threats continued until he had finished with the last of the courtiers. Then the Archduke sent for him and said, "My dear fellow, I want your portrait to be perfect in every detail. You are to paint all my courtiers exactly as we see them. If you leave out a mole, a pimple, or a single grey hair, I will have you slaughtered like a pig. Till coolly thought things over and said to himself, if I paint this picture, I shall certainly be killed. Either the Archduke will have me slaughtered like a pig for having disobeyed him, or the courtiers will have me murdered for painting them as they really are. In either case, I am to die. What am I to do? Perhaps it is wiser not to paint this picture at all. I hope you all have understood up to this much. Now you have to write these questions in your notebook and also write the answer for this question. The answers are given after this video. Thank you all. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.